Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. This is the third Christmas video in my Christmas series. So I posted this picture up on my Instagram. You guys responded so well to it. Thank you so much. So I'm going to do this design here and that design there on these naked nails that I built out with Vision Gel's Structure Gel. So let's get started. So I did my right hand off camera. I thought it would be easier doing it off camera than on camera. So let's get creating these on my left hand. Okay, so after the top coat is cured, I'm applying a little bit more white, which is Vision Gel number 1, to give the trees a snow-covered look, and I'm not going to cure it just yet. Here I'm using captions Rewind Repeat for the snowflake and Clear Jelly Stamper Plate C14. And there's the finished look. I can't believe I did that. You guys know I don't art. I don't know, for some reason this Christmas I've just been into sitting at my desk and trying out these different designs, and I wanted to share this with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Be nice. And don't forget to follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, @EliteNailsByCarrie. And we will see you in the next video. Bye guys!